Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another unboxing video. In today's video we are going to be unboxing a Philips hairdryer 5000 series. So this product I believe is a great product for the value. As well, it has some nice technology in it. So this dryer promises salon quality results with its ThermoShield technology, which actively optimizes the control of the air temperature to prevent heat damage. So we'll talk more about that in the video itself. What else we got? Mineral Ionic, which provides a protection from the UV light, and 8 times ionic, I believe, compared to a standard hairdryer, which neutralizes the static close to your hair, which means your hair are smooth, shiny and frizz free. So this gives you a kind of salon look over here. Doesn't leave your hair after drying like a mess. They are more like naturally dried hair. So let's get started with the unboxing over here. Let's break the seal. Let's check out the back of the box. So essentially the ThermoShield is basically a thermostat that regulates the temperature coming out of the hairdryer, and I believe the perfect temperature in Celsius is about 60 degrees Celsius, so the hairdryer doesn't hit your hair with a very hot temperature, damaging your hair. And for this price level over here, I believe this is a very nice hairdryer. So let's start it and see what is inside. So what do we got over here is of course the manual, which we don't need. Another manual, which we don't need. Then we got the nozzles over here. Let me show you in detail the nozzles. That's how it looks like. Another one, the standard one. And the dryer itself. So I will remove this part of paper. Get the dryer out. This is how the color looks like, and again this is how the color of the nozzle looks like. So this is almost transparent. It has a little tint of the rose color which the dryer itself has. So let me show you this up close. The back of the dryer, the settings, which is 6 of the settings of the temperature, the buttons, cold air button, which you need to hold, in my case a standard EU plug, and let's see how she works. We got some informations over here to not put it the wrong way to your head. I guess for some that might be needed. So let's make a little test over here. So when it's on 0, I believe. Yeah. So as I said, this regulates the temperature. As you can see on the marking over here, this regulates the fan speed. So you have 2 fan speeds essentially. Then this button to cold or to hold for cold air. So this is it about this hairdryer. A simple unboxing video. You are curious to see what is inside the box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.